Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download hi5 application. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Play Store application. Here in the search bar, type in hi5. Now in order to download this app, click on the install button of hi5 application. Now after the app has been installed, you'll just have to click on the open button in order to use the app. So that is how you can download hi5 application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.